Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about another control flow statement called switch case statement. The switch case statement in Java is used to make decision based on some value. Think of it like having different buttons on remote. Each button does different thing. For example, pressing 1 will play Star Plus, pressing 2 will play Discovery, pressing 3 will play Cartoon Network, and so on. Each number does different thing, just like switch case statement. Similarly in Java, if we want to perform some action based on value of some variable, then we use switch case statement. The switch case statement in Java is divided into two parts. First is the switch statement and second is its cases. The switch statement contains a variable, and based on the value of this variable, we have to form cases. The value of this variable is compared with the value of each case. For example, consider the channel number as variable. So the switch statement will have channel number as variable and cases will have expected values of this variable and logic which will get executed only if the value of case matches to the value of this variable. For example, if the channel number is 1, then system will print play Star Plus. If the channel number is 2, then system will print play Discovery. If the channel number is 3, then system will print play Cartoon Network. But what if user places 4 or some other channel number? For handling such a condition, we have default case. If none of the cases matches the value of switch statement, then default case will be executed. So in our case, if the channel number value is 4 or some other variable, then default case will get executed. Along with the logic to be executed, we have to put break statement in all the cases. Meaning, if you don't put break statement and the value of a second case matches, then the second case, third case and all other cases which comes after it will be executed. So to avoid this scenario, we have to put break statement in each case. Now you might think that we can do the same thing using if-else statement. Meaning, in the if statement, we will put condition on channel number. If the channel number is 1, then we will print play Star Plus. Else if the channel number is 2, then we will print Discovery, and so on. The switch case statement is an alternative to if-else ladder. So instead of writing condition in all if-else statement, we have to write condition in switch statement and its values in cases. It makes your code shorter and more readable. Now let's understand Java program to demonstrate switch case statement. In this program, we will take input from a user and save it in a variable called channel number. Based on this value of variable, we will print which channel to display. For example, if value is 1, then we will display Star Plus. If the value is 2, then we will display Discovery. And if the value is 3, then we will display Cartoon Network. And for all other channel, we will display please select valid channel number. Now let's move to our Java program. First, we have to create a class and main method. We will name our class as a remote. Now to take input from a user, we have to import the scanner class and create its object in main method. Now let's take input from a user using nextIn method and store it in the channel number variable. Now we have to apply switch case statement. So let's discuss its syntax first. First comes switch keyword followed by variable name in parenthesis. Then we have to write cases in curly brackets. For writing the cases, first we have to write case keyword followed by the expected value of variable mentioned in a switch statement. In our case, variable is an integer, so value can be 1, 2, 3, 4 or any other integer value. So let's write first case with value is equal to 1. To write this, we will use case keyword followed by value which is 1, then colon. After colon, we have to write logic that we want to execute if the value of case match with the value of variable mentioned in the switch statement. In our case, we want to print play Star Plus if the channel number is 1. So we have to write play Star Plus inside system.out.println statement. Now the logic for the case is complete. So we have to put break statement. Now let's write the second case with value 2, and if this case becomes true, then we will print play Discovery and after it break statement. Similarly, for the third case with value 3, we will print play Cartoon Network and then break statement. Now for the default case, if none of these values are true, then we will print invalid channel number. That's it. Our program for switch case statement is ready. Now let's jump to Eclipse and execute this program. Open the Eclipse, then right click on package name, then select new and then select class. Name your class as a remote and then click on finish. Once class is ready, then type all the program which we just discussed. Then save it and then run it. Once program is run, it will ask please enter channel number. Now if I press 2, then it will print Discovery, means second case got executed. If I rerun the program, then it will again ask please enter channel number. If I press 4, then default case will get executed and it will print please select valid channel number. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video.